Dividend ETFs are everywhere right now, and I understand why they feel like income. But before you invest in them, it's worth understanding why they feel so attractive. Let's slow it down and look at how they actually work. Just a quick note. This is not financial advice. There's a reason dividend ETFs feel so comforting to a lot of people. When you receive regular payouts, it feels like your investment is doing something, even when markets are quiet or volatile. That steady cash flow can feel predictable, almost like income. Especially if you're new to investing, getting paid regularly can feel easier to understand than watching prices go up and down. But before we go further, let's take a step back and look at what dividends actually are. A dividend is simply a payment from a company to its shareholders. When a company makes a profit, it can choose to reinvest that money or pay part of it out to investors as a dividend. If you own the stock or an ETF that holds that stock, you receive a small piece of that payout. So when an ETF pays a dividend, it's not creating new money. It's passing money through from the companies inside the fund. Now, here's where dividend ETFs start to feel different. Imagine two investors. Both invest in the same market through two different ETFs. One ETF pays out dividends regularly. The other reinvests everything automatically. Over time, the total value of both investments can be very similar. Same market, different experience. One gets cash, the other gets growth. So, do dividend ETFs make sense? For some people, yes. If you value regular income, or if seeing cash paid out helps you stay invested during market ups and downs, dividend ETFs can feel more comfortable. They can also make sense if you're investing with a shorter time horizon, or you actually need the cash flow. But they're not automatically better. They're just different. It depends on your goals. Dividend ETFs aren't good or bad. They're just a different way of experiencing the same market. What matters most is understanding what you're investing in and choosing what fits your goals and temperament. Take your time. There's no rush. Clarity comes before action,